Hey guys, I'm Amadeo78 from Broken Continuity, and this is Well Actually, the show that just has to say something. Today I'd like to talk about Amazing Spider-Man issue number 270, where Fire-Lord is wrecking shop all over New York, and Spider-Man, after two failed attempts to stop him, just beats him into unconsciousness. Well, actually, so first things first, let me explain. Fire-Lord was a herald of Galactus. His peers are people like Terrax and the Silver Surfer. He wields the power cosmic. He's fought Thor on multiple occasions. He once broke the Silver Surfer's board. He beat an entire team of X-Men only to be defeated by Jean Grey wielding the Phoenix Force. Now Spider-Man may be strong, but he's never been that strong. He once pounded on Wolverine with everything he had, and in his own words, he couldn't get him to stop smiling. When he fights a Juggernaut, his go-to move is usually to find some wet cement. Physically, he's just not a match for somebody like the Juggernaut. Don't tell me a dude who can pound on a Kingpin, who remains conscious, is just gonna beat up a guy with the power cosmic. I like Spider-Man too, but if you want me to believe that, just call me a jerk to my face. Anyway, this is Amadeo78 from Broken Continuity. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.